Workflow automation is the fastest way to eliminate chaos and unlock your team's true potential. By removing repetitive manual tasks, automation frees up time for strategic work, speeds up delivery, and creates smoother, more consistent processes. Top-performing teams automate everything, from approvals and notifications to ticket management and client onboarding, without writing a single line of code. Automation doesn't just save time, it eliminates repetitive tasks, speeds up workflows, minimizes human error, boosts productivity, and helps you scale without growing headcount. And here's the key: teams that delay automation fall behind, while agile competitors move faster, save millions, and focus their talent on work that actually matters. With Wrike, you can automate complex workflows across departments with drag-and-drop builders, flexible rules, and 400-plus integrations, no coding needed. Check out the full article to see how Wrike powers real-world automation from IT to marketing. It's packed with examples, tips, and insights to help your team work smarter. Links in the description.